Alright guys, I'm going to show you today how to hook up a dryer cord. Now, we're going to be hooking up a gray, which is a 3-wire. The 4-wire will be a different video, but if you were going to do a 4, you would do the same procedure. The white is going to be in the center, the red and the black would be on either side. The green would be right here, and this wire would be right there. But this is on a 3-wire hookup. So, by the way, these cords, they're designed for you to hook up at a certain way. It's not either way. Yes, the dryer will still work, but ideally, this flat portion sits against that flat portion, and it locks it, and it stops the cord from being able to be moved. So that's how it should be. Now, you don't have to, but you should get a cord restraint. Now, sometimes it's a lot easier just to go ahead and hook the cord restraint up first, then slide the cord through. That will work sometimes. So let's do that, and then I'll show you how to connect the cord. Tools you'll need: Phillips screwdriver or 1/4-inch socket or nut driver. By the way, there is a way of connecting these properly. The larger hole goes up top and the smaller at the bottom. All right, so now we can go ahead and feed our cord in. Again, this piece, the flat or the weird piece, goes to the bottom. Let's remove our screws. Now I have the machine facing down. It's best if you want to get a towel or something, or go ahead and put your hand under here to catch the screw just in case. They sometimes can fall. Then you got to open the machine up, so be super careful. Hold it sort of magnetic tip, that will help as well. Do have one, that definitely helps. And I had tape on here. Just for the video, I would normally use my power tool, but sometimes when you use the power tools, you could actually damage the threads. So you really want to start slowly and get it in there. Get it nice and snug. Now, how much to tighten these? I always say you should not be able to move. See it? You can't move it. Okay? And that's that. Don't go beating on it with the power tool. You snap that screw, then you're in trouble. You can take it out. In fact, I have a video on that, but you don't want to do that. All right, the middle one is the neutral. This will help you so you don't lose it as well. Nice and snug, no movement. If you can shake them or move them, they're not tight enough and you're gonna damage components in the machine. Damage the cord. All right, now we're in. Go ahead and get your Phillips and you're gonna tighten this up. Tighten these in tandem. Don't tighten one all the way, do them together. All right, this is your ground, so he will stay. All you have left now is your cover, and this is done. All right, thanks for watching.